Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, and this is a Rover sd1 set. Now what we've done to this is it came in with all the veneer hanging off it, faded, cracked. We've stripped all that back, we've re-veneered it, we've re-lacquered it, and now the lacquer is cured and the lacquer has sunk down. That's why it looks all ripply at the minute, because it still has to be sanded and flatted before it gets polished on the polishing machines behind us. So all this will look all nice and flat, and like I said, it's a little bit ripply at the minute because the lacquer is really that thick. We use 4 to 5 coats of a really thick lacquer that's designed only for woodwork, not for on the outside of cars. It's not 2-pack lacquer, so this is top quality lacquer that we've been using for the past 25 years. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Bye bye.